Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. And today's video is all about a gift I created for you. It is a preset pack for Luminar Neo. I've had a great time here this year on YouTube and with my photography in general. I love interacting with you all in the community here. It's just fun. It's rewarding. I really enjoy the conversations that we have in the comments, all that kind of stuff. Love the feedback and interaction. And I thought, what could I do to say thank you, basically? And so what I decided was, hey, I'll just make a preset pack for Luminar Neo. A lot of you watch my Luminar Neo videos, which I'm grateful for. And I thought, hey, that'd be kind of fun. I can share some presets that you guys could use on your photos, either as a one-click edit or as a starting point to go off in your own creative direction. So in order to get this preset pack, you just go to my website, which is jimnix.com. Here it is. And you can just on the main page, just click here, type in your email address and sign me up. Alternatively, you can just click on my newsletter page, which has a little bit more information about what I include in my newsletter, but it's the same thing. Stick in your email address, hit sign me up. Once you do that, you will have to confirm your email address and your subscription to my newsletter. And then after you do that, you get a download link with a password. You can download it, stick it into Luminar Neo and start having some fun. Now, once you've downloaded the preset pack, just in Luminar Neo, click on File and add Luminar Neo Preset Collection, and note that it will show up on the Presets tab under Purchase. So it'll show up as something that you purchased, as if you'd purchased this from the marketplace. Now there's 10 presets in this pack. They're designed for a wide range of photo types. I've got a cityscape and a landscape example here, because those are the things that I primarily shoot, but you could try these on any kind of photo. Click on Preset, and I'm already in this. It's called the Quick Start Preset Pack, but you can see basic pop, as the name implies, gives it a little bit of a lift. Lovely landscape looks nice here. And Set the Scene, I think, looks quite nice on this one. I really like that look. A little bit bluer, a little bit more pop of color, that sort of thing. But you can see 10 different presets here, including this one. Big colors. I kind of like my colors, as you may know. Keep in mind, you can always go into the Edit tab if you want to after you've applied a preset, and then go into the Edit section here, and you can see the tools that have been used. And so if you need to come in and reduce saturation, for example, in this case, or maybe just the blues, you can come in and do things like that to adjust it to your preferences, right? So you can season to taste. But it works great on a lot of different photo types. And here's a landscape. And again, I'll click on presets. I'll apply lovely landscape here. You can take a look at that. Nice, bright, a little bit of pop of color as well. Stormy is actually a little bit darker, a little bit moodier. Fun one for a particular type of image. The smooth sunset, as the name implies, it's kind of bringing up some of the warmer tones, but it is smoother, right? So I've done negative structure there to kind of soften it. And of course, golden light. Everybody loves a sunset. That's a nice one for sunset. So 10 presets, just a nice collection. It's a free gift to you. I do ask you to join my email newsletter. I send that out about once a month, unless there's more news. But other than that, that's it, my friends. It's a free preset pack for you. As I thank you for all the support this year, I really do appreciate it. I'll be back soon-ish. I'm going to take a little bit of a break over the next week or so, but I'll be back soon-ish with more videos. Got a lot of things planned in 2023. I appreciate you guys following along. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the free stuff. Have a wonderful holiday season. I'll see you soon, and until then, my friends, adios.